So there you see the DualLiner logo. Proud to have it in my brand new 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. I just took delivery of it yesterday. The hardest part was removing all the hardware, the tie down cleats and the plates for the box link. Once all of that was out, the DualLiner went in very easily. It's my second DualLiner. I had one in the F250 Super Duty that this F150 replaced. I loved that DualLiner, and so there was no question on what I would buy to replace that prior one. One tip is that I did also order the bed extender that I did not have the dealer install, so I would just have to uninstall it. And one tip is that the little plastic grommets that you can see here that go into the holes in the bed column, put those grommets in before you put in the DualLiner sides because they're too short to go through the DualLiner, and once you put the sides in, they're a little bit hard to pop into place. But otherwise, installation is easy. Just follow the directions and you'll be done before you know it and have the best bed liner on the market.